start with what everybody's been keeping an eye on, other than that flame as it lit the two Olympic flames. There it is, downtown Cleveland, as we await the arrival of more snow. There is snow that's already falling in some parts of northern Ohio. We turn things over now to meteorologist Mark Johnson for the latest on this.
Yes, indeed. Weather impact alerts out for the overnight hours. Arctic front moving in right now, bringing in some bursts of snow, moderate to heavy. Behind that, we get wind gusts above 40 miles per hour. And by tomorrow morning, sunrise, wind chills to about -20, maybe -25-ish. Here's some lighter snow now beginning to fall. This is I-90 at State Route 57, so it's coming on in off the lake. Cleveland 27, Mansfield, Worcester at 27. You got 25s for Akron. Ashtabula also seeing some snow at 25 degrees. We've got a winter weather advisory for snow and blowing snow through 1 a.m. Saturday morning. A few more hours of that. Pretty much the entire viewing area. Let's show you the snow. Here it comes. A little burst coming into Ashtabula and Lake counties there. A little burst over here in Lorain County and more out over the lake sliding into greater Cleveland here within the next hour or so. The Arctic front is right about here coming on in. And again, behind that front, you're going to really see those winds picking up. The concern for the next few hours would be some bursts of moderate to heavy snow, lowering visibility, causing some problems on the roadways with some snow all over that. And then we get a little streamer coming in off the lake, Lake Huron moisture with some lake effect snow. Tomorrow morning from 1 a.m. to noon Saturday, we've got cold weather advisories for those dangerous wind chills. Look at those temps, falling fast, wind chills even colder.